Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Okay, so children, today now on page number 65 of book 2, we will do another topic. Read here, bathroom. Previously we have done living room, kitchen and bedroom. Now we will do the topic bathroom. So look at the picture here. This is the picture of your bathroom. You all must be having at your home. So tell me, what is bathroom? Okay, I'll tell you. Bathroom is a place which we use for our personal hygiene activities. Okay, so now let us the things we find in a bathroom. Okay, so let's have a look. First we will see through pictures. What is this, children? Tap. This is soap. This one, sink. This one, hand wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, mirror, towel, bucket, mug, commode, bathtub, towel. So these are the pictures. Now let us discuss about the things we find in a bathroom. Read here the first word, tap. Tap. What we get from tap, children? We get water from the tap. Now this one is bucket. This is bucket, red color. In this we can fill the water and we use for taking shower. This is commode. You can see here the picture of commode. This you use. Toothpaste. This we use to clean our teeth. Where is toothpaste? It is Close-Up, Colgate, Pepsodent. There are so many toothpaste available in the market. Now this one is sink. This you can see the sink portion where water goes out. Mirror. In this you can see yourself. You can dress up by seeing yourself in the mirror. Now the next one is bathtub. In this you can take the shower. We can fill water inside it. Hand wash. Now this is the hand wash. Dettol, Savlon. There are so many types of hand wash which we use to clean our hands. Yes, this time you all must be washing your hands again and again due to COVID-19. Yes or no? Yes, good. So this is soap. This we use to clean our body. Here it is soap. Now the next one is towel. This we use to wipe our body or to wipe our hands. And the last one is toothbrush. This we use to clean our teeth. Everyone, you should brush your teeth twice a day. So these are the things we find in our bathroom. So children, bathroom is a place which we use for our personal hygiene activities. Hope it is clear to you. Now move to the next page, page number 66. Now see here, look at the pictures, take the things seen in the bathroom. What we have to do, children? You can see here the picture of so many things. So we have to take those things which we see in our bathroom. Where we see in our bathroom. So let us start from here. What is this? This is a picture of a wash basin. This we see in our bathroom. Yes, of course we see. We wash our hand in this. So we will take this picture like this. Okay. Now move to the next. What is this? This is the picture of a towel. This we see in our bathroom. Tell me. Of course we see. After washing our hands, we use this to wipe our hands. Yes. What is this? This is the picture of commode. This we see in our bathroom. Yes, of course. This we use for our personal hygiene. So you will take this like this. The picture of a mirror. This also we find in our bathroom. We have discussed earlier. So take it. The picture of toothbrush. This we see Yes, of course we see this. We use this to clean our teeth. So take the picture like this. And this is the picture of a bathtub. In this we fill water and this we use to take shower. So take it. This also we find in our bathroom. What is this? This is a picture of sofa. Oh, where we find this? Tell me. In bathroom. You receive your guests in bathroom. No. So where we find this? We find this in our living room. So we will not take this. And what is this? The picture of cushion. This also we find in our bathroom. No. We don't find in our bathroom. This also we find in our living room. Okay. Now come to the last one. What is this? This is a picture of a hand wash. So this we find in our bathroom? Yes, of course. So we will take it like this. Alright. So in this way children you will do this page number 66. Now come to page number 67. Draw a picture of your home and color it. What you have to do children here, this page is homework for you. You have to draw a beautiful picture of your home. You can use a scale or ruler with the and then you can draw the picture of beautiful house and then you will color it very nicely. Okay, so do this by yourself. Now come to page number children 68. What you have to do here, practice read aloud the words and write them. So let us read. 4 words are written here. Read aloud with me. Bedroom, bathroom, living room, and the last one is kitchen. So you can see here the spellings are written and some blank space are given to you. So what you have to do, you have to read these spellings and then you have to write it down. Okay, you have to learn it and then you have to write it down. Start with me. You will start from the red line. B will be capital and until the blue line. B-E-D, bed. Speak like this and then you will write. B-E-D, bed. R-O-O-M, room. Bedroom. Now come to this. B-A-T-H, bath. R-O-O-M, room, bathroom. So now come here. Living room. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. R-O-O-M, room, living room. Now kitchen. K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. So in this way you will write the spellings by reciting and you will read the words. You have to write three times. I have shown you only one time. So this page is homework for you. So you will do it at your home in very good handwriting and please follow the same formation which is provided here. Alright children. So all the best. Do it very nicely. So this is all about your EVS work. We will meet you again soon. Thank you children. Bye bye.